full screen mode of the LQ-1000 contains quite a bit of information. Starting from the top left side, this is on the available VGA remote. We're going to show it on this because the screen's a little bit bigger, it's a little easier to see. You can see thumbnail meters for the main 5.1 channel input, the 2-channel 788 input, there's a max peak reading, a fixed target level. This tells us that the meter is currently running, and this is an LKFS reading, so an ITU loudness reading of the current loudness of the main program. So we're looking at the 5.1, display is showing 5.1. This is the loudness value for that program. You'll notice that there are 3 bar graphs below labeled A, B, and C. They're actually looking at the exact same signal, but the integration time can be changed. So in this case, we've set meter A to be 3 seconds, meter B to be 10 seconds, and meter C to be 30 seconds. You can see the peak levels right on top of them, and there's a tick mark above -24, which is again the target level. And below it is a histogram, and each one of the tick marks on the histogram represents a distance of about 5 minutes in time. Now, a note about the colors. You can see that the blue is much lower in loudness, and so conversely, as we get closer to full scale, that will approach, it'll pass through green and then yellow and then red. And that varies depending on where the target is set. So right now, we are at a target of -24, and the actual reading is starting to approach blue. Why? Because it's a little bit too quiet. The range of green to yellow is about the width of the typical comfort zone, so it's about 15 dB wide. As long as you're in the green to yellow area, everything's fine. That's going to produce a result that's comfortable for viewers to listen to. Those same colors are reflected down below on the histogram. And one more note about the thumbnails. They're meant for nothing other than signal presence. So rather than having a single dot saying that there's audio present on left, we give just a simple meter. If you do want to see more detail, use the previous button and you can go back and actually see indications of where those signal levels are.